The company announced 4 new iPhones in a virtual event on Tuesday: the iPhone 12, the iPhone 12 Pro, the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and a new, smaller, iPhone 12 mini. All the phones are 5G equipped, meaning they can connect to the next generation high-speed wireless networks. This is a huge moment for all of us and we're really excited. Apple will be hoping that its historically loyal user base will continue to shell out the big bucks to upgrade, even as the coronavirus pandemic continues to ravage the economy and forces millions to stay home. The cheapest phone in its new lineup, the iPhone 12 mini, starts at $699, while the top-of-the-line iPhone 12 Pro Max, featuring Apple's biggest ever smartphone display at 6.7 inches, will start at $1,099. The iPhone 12 and 12 Pro will be available for pre-order on October 16th and in store on October 23rd. The iPhone 12 mini and 12 Pro Max will be available for pre-order on November 6th and in store on November 13th. The iPhone 12 comes in 5 colors: black, white, red, green, and blue, and is thinner, smaller, and lighter than its predecessor, the iPhone 11. It also features an upgraded XDR display and a new, tougher glass atop the display that Apple calls Ceramic Shield. The iPhone 12 mini will have 2 cameras on the back, while the 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max add a third. Apple is also adding several software enhancements to the phones that will enable features such as night mode time lapses. Apple is preparing for a potential hit to battery life from faster cellular speeds. The iPhone 12 will automatically detect when your phone doesn't need 5G and switch to the slower LTE network to save battery life. The latest iPhones are powered by new A14 Bionic chip, which the company boasts is the fastest in any smartphone. In a nod to its past, Apple's reintroducing MagSafe, the name it gave to the magnetic connectors on the power adapters that used to ship with MacBooks before the introduction of USB-C charging. Now, it's using the name to talk about a magnet in the back of the iPhone 12 that helps it snap into place with wireless chargers for more efficient charging. This also enables certain accessories, both from Apple and third parties, to snap onto the back of it, like a slim wallet the company showed off. Wireless charging will also work through some accessories. Behind the camera lenses, as it does every year, Apple is enhancing the iPhone's camera systems. The iPhone 12 mini feature a dual camera system on the back, with wide and ultra-wide lenses, while the iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Max add a telephoto lens. The new devices also use software for better computational photography, enhancing images by allowing more light and sharper focus while also enabling features such as night mode on the wide, ultra-wide, and front-facing cameras across models. The Pro Max supercharges the camera even further, with Apple naturally touting it as the best camera ever on an iPhone. Its lenses allow up to 5 times zoom from ultra-wide to telephoto. The zoom from the main wide camera to the telephoto is now 2.5 times. The image sensor on the wide lens cameras on Pro models is 47% larger than on previous iPhones, enabling better low-light photography. What's not in the box: Apple will ship the iPhone 12 without headphones or a charging brick, a move aimed at cutting down on waste. More than 2 billion Apple Power adapters are out in the world, and many customers already have wired headphones or AirPods. Removing these items also means a smaller, lighter iPhone box. We can fit up to 70% more items on a shipping pallet, reducing shipping emissions. The new iPhone also uses 100% recycled rare earth elements for all magnets, including in the camera and haptics.